As President Trump's new tariffs loom, the clock is ticking for consumers to grab essentials before costs surge. Scheduled to take effect on February 1, 2025, these tariffs target imports from China, Canada, and Mexico, and they're set to impact everything from electronics to groceries. Here's what you should know, and what you should stock up on, according to experts and industry insiders. If you've been eyeing a new smartphone, laptop, or TV, now might be your best chance to snag a deal. CNN reports that a 10% tariff on Chinese imports is expected to increase the cost of electronics significantly. Gadgets like headphones, gaming consoles, and even smart home devices could all see price hikes. A new car or that long overdue repair could get pricier. Reuters warns that a 25% tariff on automotive imports from Canada and Mexico will make vehicles and spare parts more expensive. Mechanics and car enthusiasts alike are bracing for rising costs. Essential medications, including antibiotics and pain relievers, could soon cost more. According to Business Insider, Canada and Mexico are major suppliers of pharmaceuticals, and tariffs are expected to disrupt supply chains. Stocking up on prescriptions now might save both money and headaches later. From home renovations to canned goods, steel and aluminum are everywhere. Reuters highlights that tariffs on Canadian metal imports will increase costs for industries that rely on these materials, which means higher prices for construction supplies, kitchen tools, and even soda cans. Love that new sofa or dining set you've been saving for? Buy it now. CNN explains that tariffs on Chinese imports include furniture, meaning everything from office chairs to bedroom sets could see a price jump. If redecorating is on your to-do list, act fast. Fashion lovers, beware. Your favorite brands may soon come with a higher price tag. Business Insider reports that tariffs on textiles and apparel from China could lead to increased costs for everything from jeans to workout gear. Time to shop those sales before the hikes hit. While the focus has been on big-ticket items, food prices could also see an uptick. Agricultural products, such as fruits, vegetables, and meats imported from Mexico and Canada, are expected to be impacted by tariffs. According to AP News, grocery bills could climb as the ripple effect takes hold. Industry leaders warned that the impacts of these tariffs could hit hard and fast. The cost of these imports won't just rise for businesses, they'll trickle down to consumers, increasing everyday expenses, said an economist quoted by Reuters. The advice is clear. Shop now for essentials to avoid paying a premium later. Whether it's electronics,